first, I don't need, well, now my CBCT, I just need to see my CL file that is now aligned. I select the tool diameter. This is a ring diameter. Okay, why not 4 millimeter? This is a height to stopper. This is the drill length given by the manufacturer of the implant generally. They provide also some tools like sleeves, drills, and the length is indicated by the manufacturer. Well, for our case, we know that this implant is height 8 here. May show you extra thing like the transparency to see the location of the implant. Well, let's go back to the drill guide area. I have to select the area where I will work. I just have to select the area where I like to add an implant. That area here, I may say upper or lower jaw. And if I like to have a higher height, I change the value here. We have actually 10, we change it to 12. Look here, the impact of it. Okay, I will add 1 millimeter more. Okay. Now I'm able to create my drill guide. Well, we have a calculation time. Now my drill guide is created. Well, the drill guide is appearing here. Don't need to see my nerve. I just see now my implant here and the drill guide. Just additional information. If you like to redesign, why not a little bit? We have a surgery stamp here, and we are able to creating opening windows, redesign it if necessary. I will cut the top area because I like to see from the top the position. Means with this tool, very easy to manage. You see, we may easily redesign the drill guide, and this is our result. Just call back the CBCT. It will be the position of our drill guide. I just call back the camera. Okay, then you saw from the really beginning, from the scratch, the tour of the patient with the 4 action, how to draw the canal, how to do a measurement, how to draw a curve along the arch in a way to have 1 millimeter stamps, also to call a STL file from a camera or from a plaster model. And remember, we have the STL file directly from the CBCT. Then we just create the object in a way to have the STL file of it, in a way to align. While align, you saw the matching area. While we align, we are able then to create the surgical guide.